Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to register your business in the UK using first formations. Now before I share my screen with you to show you how this is done, I would like to point out that so many non-UK residents can actually register their business in the UK from the comfort of their homes. Now with that being said, I've listed all the supported countries in an article and you'll find the link in the description of this video, so go ahead and check if your country is among that list. And remember, this video is meant to educate you and inform you of the possibility of owning a UK based business. Alright, so with that being said, at this point I need you to pay close attention and avoid any distraction, as I'm going to share my screen right now and show you how this is done. Let's go. Alright, so after you have clicked the link in the description of this video, you'll be taken straight to this page. Now the first thing you need to do when you get here is to enter the name of the business you want to register. Now I'm gonna search for Nwaeze Media. This is the name I want to register. Enter it here and then click on search. It's going to search if this name is available. As you can see, say congratulations, the name is available. Now if your name is not available, it will tell you that it's not available, then you can search again. But since it's available, go ahead and click on choose a package. Now the package, you see many options here. I see a limited company option, there is non-residence, that's LP, that's guarantee, e-seller, PLC. Now select the option that is okay with you. Now I'm going to assume that you are registering as a non-UK resident. So if you're a UK resident, go ahead and select from any of these options here. Or if you're not a UK resident, click on this non-UK resident. Now once you have clicked on that, you're going to see the pricing plan here. As you can see, it's changed to £149. So click on buy now. Okay, click on buy now, and then it's going to take you to the page, your checkout page, where you're going to make your final payment. But before you do that, make sure you go through this optional, scroll down and see this option. These ones are all optional, so you can add them if you want. If you don't want, just leave them like that. Then click on check this box that agree to terms and conditions. You can go ahead and read the terms and conditions, the privacy policy. Make sure you agree with them. So once you are done, go ahead and click on checkout. You're going to enter your working email address. Make sure your email address is correct, and then create a password. Then enter your first name, last name, and your phone number. Once you've done that, select your billing address by entering your address. Click on this button and then select the country where you are from. Enter your country details here, your address. Make sure everything is correct. Then click on submit address. And once you've clicked on submit address, your address will populate here. Then you enter your card detail. Like this, your credit card detail. Enter it here. Enter your expiry date here. Then CVC or CVV is the 3-digit code number that is at the back of your credit card. So enter it here and then click on pay securely. Now after you have made your payment, you'll be able to enter your company details, like explain what your company is all about. Then you log into your dashboard and then monitor the progress of your business registration. So go ahead right now, make your payment, and if you have any questions, do where to leave it in the comment section and I will do my best to answer it. So there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide helping you register your business in the UK from the comfort of your home. Now I recommend that you take advantage of this opportunity right now and register your business in the UK. There's so many advantages to this, like having a UK bank account, Stripe, PayPal account, etc. Now I've done something for you and I need you to do something for me in return. I need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and also share this video with your friends. Now the link to first formation sign up is in the description of this video. Go ahead right now and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.